Hello everyone, this is part number 4 in tutorial 2. Now, as usual, we have to plan the drawing before we start. The best way to finish this sketch is to divide the model into 3 segments. The first one is the circle shape with this hole in the center. The second segment is this plate with chamfers. And finally the triangle. So let's go and make it in the software. Now, the height of this shape is 30, and the diameter of the big circle is 30, and the radius of the small circle is 7.5, and I know that this line is 18. So when I open the software, double click, sketch, not front plane, this time top plane, and I'll start by making the circle, which has a diameter of 30 as given. Now I have two lines. This line is extended horizontally until 18, and a second line extended horizontally also as 18. So I have to put the dimension. These two lines are connected. Now, if I want to trim the circle, I will have this segment, and remember the circle in the center with a diameter of 15. Now, if I finish the sketch, I can extrude features, this part, a distance of 30. So this is segment number 1. Now, the second segment can be drawn from the bottom plane, new sketch, and I can look at the top view to make it easy to imagine the shape. So from this point, I can create the rectangle with random dimensions, and then I will be able to determine this is 30 because it is tangent to the circle. They have the same size, and the length was given to be 60 from the center of the circle until the last edge. So this distance between circle and line is 60. I have the chamfer in the corners. I have to save 9 and 9 spaces. So I'll bring the chamfer command with a distance of 9. So that point and this point, and that's it. Now if I finish the sketch, I can extrude this shape not down, it should be up, and not the full height. It should be exactly 9 as given. So we are done now with segment 1 and segment 2. I'm left only with the triangle. Now the triangle, I have small issue. If I select this plane, for example, and I make the rectangle, for example, when I extrude, I will get the full shape filled with the rectangle like this. So this side. But what I want is small segment of the rectangle in the middle of this shape. So I cannot start from this plane. So that sketch is wrong. What I have to do is I need to go to reference geometry and select plane. I'm making a new plane parallel to this surface at a distance of 15. Why? Because it's half of the shape, but not in this direction, flip offset. So that is a new plane created in the center of the shape, and I'm done. With this plane, I can click and sketch. So I'm sketching on this plane. If I look at the front view, I can make a triangle, and you can see that it's fully defined because it's based on the previous parts. And now I can extrude this triangle. Now if I go to features, the triangle, it gives me this option. Is it to the left or to the right? I can say in both directions. So in direction A, I have specific length, and direction B, I have specific length. If I go and check, this is 7, so 3.5 each. So I have to check 3.5 in direction 1 and 3.5 in direction 2. And done. Now I don't need to see that plane, so I can hide that plane, and this is my final drawing. Okay, and thank you for watching. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.